Tan 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 tan. Happy 4th year anniversary. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your Tita Bungis-ngis, Tita A. And for today's video, I'm gonna show you our summer vacation in Cortes Island.
Oh, there.
There you go.
He's okay.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Say hi.
Hi everybody. I'm so big.
And heavy.
Adi?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes. Wow! Lakas ah.
Tama na.
Isa lang?
Look at the flowers.
It's a flower.
Don't. You can pick flowers here, okay?
Just looking lang. Just looking. Look, ang ganda ng flower na to. Nice flowers. Ganda oh. Wow, very beautiful flowers. Mga colorful flowers na Adi. May mais pa dyan oh.
There's tomatoes.
Mais yan eh.
Oh, over there.
Over there. Okay. There's tomato.
Tomatoes.
Tomato. Wawa naman. May yellow, yellow roses din.
Oh, one of those.
No. Cherry tomato. Ito, mga cherry tomato yan. Mga tomato nila sa kabila. Ay! Nag-pick ng flowers. Don't pick it, anak.
Adi, no.
Sorry, Mama.
Okay. Sige na. Ito na. Ang laki na itong rose, oh. Ganda. Wow. Very beautiful flowers. Oh. Nice. Ang ganda ng flowers. Yellow, may peach.
Sana naman din makapunta rito sila. Ate mo.
Oo nga eh. White flowers, purple flowers, pink flowers. Ganda.
Ano pears?
Hey, may pears. Puno ng pear. Ayan, ganyan pala yung puno ng pears. Oh. Peras. Ibang kulay nga lang. Last time ano yun, di ba? Apple.
I don't know. I don't remember.
There's a tree of apple. No? Ito, it's tomato, but it's...
It's eggplant.
No, it's tomato.
What?
Tomato yan.
Oh, this is small eggplant.
No, tingnan mo nga, oh. Tomato yan. Sinabi ni Mama last time. No.
This.
Can you eat that?
Abby?
You got one.
Can you eat that?
Wow.
Can you eat that?
Yeah.
Try it.
It's, the easier they come off, the sweeter they
Taste
are.
test.
If you pull them,
Taste
they don't
test.
come off easily.
Bigla tumalon, ano? Tingnan nyo naman to. Slug. Ang laki. Slug.
The big one.
Big slug.
Don't step on it. Come on, let's go. Dito pala tayo sa kabilang side, oh. Hey, Mama.
Oo.
It still should be popping up.
That was cool.